Good morning from Muktinath, 19th October 2023, 7:40 a.m. in the morning. Let me show you the view outside. Beautiful, beautiful place with snow-capped mountains, Annapurna and Thalagiri and all those famous peaks in Nepal. But away presently, it's covered by clouds. And other than this window, we also have a balcony with this room. Let me show you the view outside. Wow, amazing. I believe those are the stairs. You need to climb 400 stairs to reach the temple. I don't know whether I'll be able to do so. Anyway, let's see.